Good morning, everyone. It's now about 11 o'clock in the morning, and I have an early brunch or breakfast in the Montana Cafe near Tajimi. And today I'm having a cafe au lait here and a little breakfast, boiled egg and a toast and some salad. This is a very, very nice cafe you will see in a while. I'll take. It's a fantastic log house, and it's built by the owners themselves from local trees, huge logs, very impressive. And this is one of the kind of the nice places you can go outside Tajimi. It's called Tsuzuhara, and they have nice strawberry fields. You can go here and pick strawberries, and the cafe are using those strawberries as well. They're growing vegetables and all kinds of things. So I'm looking forward to my breakfast here, and then I will have a little interview with the owners.